Hello friends, my name is Masolwa. Today we are going to see on how we can get the shortcut of cube roots of the decimal numbers. Here, as I can show you in this video of today, one thing which is common when you look all these numbers, you can obtain all these numbers contain 3 decimal places. As you can see here, 872, 464, 52552, 336, and also you can see every number contains of 3 decimal places. Now remember one thing on how we can get the cube roots of this number. For instance, when you check on here, remember here we will get the decimal number. The cube root of this number will get obvious the decimal number, and if we want to know the answer of this digit, I mean the decimal number, it will be given by these 3 numbers. How can it be given by these 3 numbers? First of all, you should know the cubes of natural numbers from 1 to 9. As you can see here, the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, the cube of 4 is 64, the cube of 5 is 125, the cube of 6 is 216, the cube of 7 is 343, the cube of 8 is 512, and the cube of 9 is 729. Here you can see the cubes of natural number from 1 to 9. Okay, let us turn back to our question. Here, how we can get the answer of this decimal number? We should consider this the last number or the last decimal place of this number, which is 2. Where is 2 found in these answers of these cubes? 2 is found in here. 2 is found here in the cube of 8. So how can you know the answer of here? The answer of here, you will take the cube of 8, which is 8, and right here is 8, as you can see. Also here, when you come here in the second one, you will get also the decimal number. How can you get the answer of this decimal place? You should know on these 3 digits. The last digits, consider the last digits, which is 4. Where is 4 found in this? Where is 4 found? You can see 4 is found here in the cube root of 4. So the answer will be 4 here. 4. Also the same goes to here. 2. The last is 2 in these 3. Where is 2 found? Here. So the answer of here in this decimal place is 8. Also here the same. 6. Where is 6 found? Here. It will be the answer is 6. Also the same as here. It is 8. Where is 8 found? 8 is found here. So here it will be 2. Also here the last digit in the decimal place is 9. Where is 9 found? 9 found here. So the answer will be 9. Also here in these 3 digits, the last digit of the decimal place is 4. Where is 4 found? Here. So it will be here. Now the thing which you should know the answer of here, this is a problem, but this is very simple on how we can get. First, you should consider this number, all of it, 54. Where is 54 lies in these cubes? You turn back again here. 54 lies between this number, which is 27 and 64. But what you should consider is the smallest number. Now between 27 and 64, which one is the smallest number? The smallest number is 27. Now you should know the answer of this cube root. The answer of cube root of 27 is 3. So the answer of here it will be 3. Also in here, the answer you should be 157. 157. Where does it lie? When you come back here, 157 lies between 125 and 216. But which one is the smallest number? Is 25. And the cube root of 125 is 5. So the answer will be 5. Also the same here. You should consider all of this here. 474. Where does it lies? 474 lies between here, 343 and 512. Which one is the smallest one? This one. The cube root of 343 is 7. So the answer of here will be 7. Also the same as here. 97. Where does 97 lies? 97 lies between 64 and 125. Which one is the smallest number? Is 64. So here it will be 4. Now here we will continue. 500 also the same. 551 lies between here. Lies between this number and this number. Which one is the smallest one? Here. So here it will be 8. And here also 205. Where does 205 lies? 205 lies between here and here. Which one is the smallest one? 5. This one is the smallest one. The cube root of 125 is 5. So the answer here will be 5. Also 85. Where does it lies? 85 lies between here and here. Which one is the smallest number? 64. The cube root, the answer of the cube root of 64 is 4. So the answer of here, it will be 4. Now here, you should continue as you have given. So the answer of here generally, it will be 3.8. And here, it will be 5.4. Also here, it will continue 7.8 plus or add 4.6. In which the answer, it will give you 4. This and this 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1. This 7 plus 4 is 11 and 12. So the answer of here, it will be 12.4. Also here 8.2 plus 5.9 subtract 4.4. You should start with addition. Here if we add, you will get 11. 2 add 2 add 9, you will get 11. Decimal point, carry 1, 13, it will be 14, minus 4.4, which it will be this minus this, obvious it will give you 7, and obvious it will be 9. Thank you for listening my video.